XRP community figure and prominent financial consultant identifies an attractive passive income opportunity with the upcoming XRP Ledger AMM. According to top Bitcoin trader Elite Crypto, does XRP have any moon potential pending the outcome of the SEC lawsuit? Finally, Pitchbook algorithm has given us a prediction concerning Ripple's chances of publicity. However, the big question remains the same: can investors work on those predictions? Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of September. Panos Mekras, a notable financial consultant and founder of Digital Gen, recently highlighted an attractive opportunity for XRP community members to leverage the upcoming XRPL Automated Market Maker for passive income. Mekras underscored this opportunity in a recent post on X. He also clarified the concept of impermanent loss and how it is not as dreadful as investors perceive. He began by calling attention to the importance of on-chain liquidity and the role of AMMs. Mekras emphasized that liquidity, one of the most significant parts of a market, is crucial in determining asset prices. As a result, liquidity pools play a crucial role in decentralized finance, as they help introduce sufficient liquidity. According to him, they function as the backbone of decentralized exchanges, AMMs included. A liquidity pool is a pool of funds locked in a smart contract. Its purpose is for trading and providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, enabling users to swap tokens. Liquidity pools are nothing without liquidity providers, LPs. LPs deposit funds to these liquidity pools to contribute to liquidity and earn a share of the pool's trading fees. By doing so, they establish a market while simultaneously earning. Mekras underscored that XRP community members could assume the role of LPs. He highlighted the vital role LPs play in the ecosystem. Due to the prospect of earning from trading fees, this is an attractive passive income opportunity. While the income-generating strategy appears attractive, most traders shy away from being LPs because of the concept of impermanent loss. However, Mekras explained why IL might not be as dreadful as perceived. Impermanent loss occurs when the value of assets in a liquidity pool changes over time, causing the pool's value to differ from if the assets were simply held. It occurs when the prices of the tokens in the pool move away from their initial ratio. While perceived as a setback, Mekras clarified that IL can be part of an effective strategy. For instance, LPs can leverage IL as an automated dollar-cost averaging approach. By providing liquidity to an XRP and stablecoin pair, liquidity providers can accumulate more XRP in the face of price fluctuations. Addressing the common fear of price surges, Mekras turned to charts to substantiate his claims. Even if XRP surges 200% to 600%, IL remains manageable, with much of it offset by earned fees. He demonstrated that IL remains negligible as long as relative prices of assets in a liquidity pool pair stay within a 50% range of the entry point. Moreover, he stressed the significance of the XRPL's unique continuous auction mechanism. This concept enhances the AMM experience by distributing winning bid amounts to LPs, reducing impermanent loss exposure. Mekras confidently predicted that pairs like XRP and USD and XRP and BTC hold the potential to generate substantial income and fees for LPs. Well, that's not all. In a recent tweet, a prominent Bitcoin trader in the crypto community expressed his bullish stance for XRP. The trader with X handle Elite Crypto proclaimed that he holds a substantial amount of XRP. Elite Crypto noted that he had kept accumulating XRP while market participants were wary of the digital asset. He said his XRP accumulation spree spanned the period investors sold off XRP due to the SEC's regulatory pursuit. In his words, "I'm holding a bag of XRP in my portfolio and I have kept buying during the dumps due to SEC cases." Meanwhile, the Bitcoin trader stated that the people dumping XRP did not consider the lawsuits the only concern. According to him, they fled XRP because Ripple holds a significant XRP amount, making the ecosystem appear centralized. Elite Crypto mentioned that the Ripple factor remains an existing concern. It is worth mentioning that the Ripple and XRP communities have consistently argued against the notion of XRP's centralization. Ripple holds a substantial amount of the asset in escrow accounts, subject to monthly unlocks. Regardless, the Bitcoin trader praised the Ripple team for their effort in the lawsuit against the U.S. securities regulator. Elite Crypto mentioned that Ripple's resilience in the court case has positively impacted its business development. Moreover, the Bitcoin influencer expressed that Ripple has built a formidable brand business that is impacting XRP's market position. He spotlighted XRP's increasing trading volume alongside the digital assets' growing appeal to the investing public. Specifically, the market chart accompanying the tweet indicated that $259.6 million worth of XRP was traded on the Binance exchange in the past day. Meanwhile, CoinMarketCap's 24-hour data shows market participants traded nearly $1 billion XRP. Based on the Ripple factor and the growing XRP appeal, the Bitcoin trader concluded that XRP was on track for a significant uptrend. He remarked, "Moon potential if they end this lawsuit banter once and for all." Now to the big question of the day: can Pitchbook algorithm prediction be relied on by investors? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Jones quoted data from Pitchbook, a prominent venture capital and private equity resource. She noted that Pitchbook developed an algorithm that examines data from 64,000 past successful exits of private companies. Specifically, the algorithm captured data for private firms exiting by IPO or merger and acquisition over the past 5 years. The resulting conclusion in the case of Ripple was that Ripple has a 98% chance of an IPO. Notably, the Wall Street expert underlined the comprehensive evaluation of diverse data points that the Pitchbook software studied before concluding. The algorithm analyzes the frequency and magnitude of fundraising rounds, the number of patents held, and the extent of acquisitions undertaken. Also, it takes account of workforce size, the market's total addressable scope, revenue expansion, involvement of active investors, and the overall financial maturation of the respective companies. After the in-depth analyses, Jones stated that the algorithm assigns a unique score to each company. The score represents a probability rating denoting the likelihood of a triumphant IPO or M&A endeavor. For the blockchain payment firm, the algorithm assigned a 98% exit success probability via IPO. Meanwhile, Jones clarified that the Pitchbook's AI-powered machine predicts no time frame for a company to IPO. It only assigns a probability score for the chances of going public. Moreover, Jones shared a quote that companies that occupied the highest percentile in the rankings during 2018 exhibited a 3.8 times higher probability of successful exits compared to their counterparts in the lower 90% of the ranking. Notably, the discussion surrounding Ripple going public intensified after the firm's recent regulatory victory. As was previously reported in June, the Wall Street expert argued that it is best for Ripple to do its IPO when XRP sells low. Furthermore, pundits have expressed that the crypto community can expect a Ripple IPO within a year of regulatory triumph. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.